Hi and welcome to Freshservice product session. We all know that many changes happen within an organization that vary in impact and risk. The change management process flow includes steps like change evaluation, planning, approval, review, etc. However, these stages are not applicable to every type of change. With so many different types of changes, it gets difficult to control the transition in a change management process. To solve this, we introduce Freshservice Change Lifecycle feature. Change Lifecycle is a representation of the service desk change process that lets you control the step-by-step transition in a change management process. Change Lifecycle has three entities: status, transition, and a condition. Any stage in a change management process, such as open, planning, is called a status. The process of transitioning from one status to another is called a transition. The criteria that need to be satisfied before transitioning to another status is called a condition. Let's consider a scenario. David, who is the change manager for Acme Inc., notices a large number of major changes recorded over the past 2 months. This generally requires approvals from multiple stakeholders. While analyzing the past data, David notices a lot of unapproved major changes that are being deployed, which involve downtime. David decides to bring in more control to this process using the Freshservice Change Lifecycle. Now let's create a change lifecycle for a major change. Click on Major Change under Admin Change Lifecycle and click on Edit. For any change lifecycle, the status is set to open by default. You can include further statuses by clicking on Add Status. Let's now add new statuses such as Awaiting Approval and Pending Release. You will be able to reorder these statuses using a simple drag and drop. Now let's create two transitions from planning to awaiting approval and awaiting approval to pending release. Under awaiting approval to pending release transition, enable requested approvals are approved. This means that only approved changes can be moved to pending release. Add fields such as rollout and backout plan and save it to the transition. The log field feature freezes certain fields when the change is in that particular status. This restricts tickets from any further changes during the transition. Finally, you can save or publish your change lifecycle by clicking on Save as Draft or Publish. Once published, the lifecycle is displayed on top of each change request for a quick reference. The major benefits of change lifecycle are better change control and governance, risk and impact mitigation. It is therefore crucial to understand the nature of every change type and define change workflows accordingly to ensure better process control. Thank you and happy supporting.